All right, so now let's see what's going on. Like, she's so tight up here. There's someone put concrete in her neck.
That's what they told me.
My thumbs are hurting.
My dad said this.
No, my thumbs aren't hurting. So you're gonna be face down, and you feel that horrible spot right there?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh.
That one. That's a big one.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Woo!
Oh my god.
So we have Diana here today and her cousin Ingrid. Your cousins, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you're visiting from Florida, but you
Yes.
used to live here in New York,
Yes.
and you live in New York,
Yes.
and you don't live in Florida.
I don't live in Florida.
So,
Not yet.
but we're combining your visit with a chiropractic adjustment.
Yes.
All right. What do you find me on YouTube?
Yes.
Which channel?
Animal Cracker.
Animal Channel. Okay. If you haven't seen, I have an Animal Cracker YouTube channel where I work on horses, dogs, pigs, chickens, cows, cats, everything. And you said if he can adjust the dog.
He can adjust me.
Actually, I had this guy, John. He's a big guy, really big. He's a big, strong. I think he used to be a bodybuilder or something in his early days. But he said, "I saw you adjusting a horse, and I knew you could adjust me." So,
Makes sense.
and I have been able to adjust him because I think he said other chiropractors couldn't really get his neck to go because he's like this big.
Wow.
So, but don't worry, we're not going to do horse adjustments.
Okay,
We're
thank
just
you.
regular stuff. All right, so Ingrid, you're going to come sit to the side for a little bit. Maybe sit over here. So if there's any good stuff, you can roll right over and watch us. And I don't mind if you run your camera too. You can run second camera. All right, and you're going to tell us first, what are some of your best things? So you told me you have headaches.
Headaches, migraines, really bad shoulder and upper, neck, sciatic pain sometimes on the left side, and my feet.
And your feet. Okay, so go ahead and lie face down. And Ingrid, you can even walk around and shoot, who cares, right? Do whatever you want. Just don't stand directly in front of Lisa. And you're gonna reach out. Can you get that second handle? Right there, that'll make you really stretch. And we're trying to pull apart your back a little bit, okay? Creating space in here. Okay, I'm gonna move your hair to the side like this and start working on the muscles. I guess we have the windows open, making a lot of noise, right? So everything in New York is loud, including me. I do get comments that go, "I wish you would be quiet." So I don't know.
Okay, I miss the noise.
I don't know what I'm gonna. No, they mean me. They want me to shut up.
Oh,
So I guess there's that.
fine.
Thanks, Diana. No, but there are people that put up like silent videos, like ASMR, like
Oh yeah.
they'll do an entire 1 hour massage without talking, and that's cool, but it's just not what my channel is.
Boring.
Mine is the Loud New Yorker channel. Oh. So here, you get so tight in the
Yep.
lower back. So here I'm down in her lower back.
Oh,
And this area here is called the quadratus lumborum. That's Latin, but everybody calls them the QL. QL. And yours are very tight. And a lot of people you sit all day, right?
Yeah.
You sit at your desk.
oh my god.
So things that we do like sitting, eating, driving cars, traveling in transportation, have our body in a forward position and being at the computer. And it's so important for us in today's world to learn how to stretch the body back, either over a foam roller or a ball on the floor or something to take us the other direction.
Yeah.
And a few minutes a day really makes a difference, but you have to discipline yourself. I'm actually more interested if someone says, "I stretch for a few minutes every day," rather than if they say, "I do a big 2-hour thing every Saturday." Because that doesn't change the posture as much as a few minutes a day. I mean, it's exciting that someone does a 2-hour boot camp on a Saturday, but if they let their posture fall apart the other days of the week, it's hard to fix it. So the thing that needs to be done every day is a few minutes of stretching, unraveling your body, and your body feels like it's like crinkled, like a tin can, like a soda, like a Coke can, crinkled up.
That's my favorite one.
And we need to get that to open and stretch and unwind. And a lot of pain gets locked into our bodies when it's that tight. So a lot of the day-to-day chronic pain is postural pain. It's the way we sit, the way we're on the computers, the way we text message. Now, once in a while, someone goes, oh no, I traumatized my back. I fell off my bicycle, or I was lifting a couch, and I know the exact moment when I cracked my back bad, where I injured it. So that's trauma.
Right.
But most of the stuff I see in my office is everyday wear and tear.
Mm-hmm.
Every day of thousands of hours that accumulate, that give us pain in our bodies. And that needs mobilization, stretching, and you have to do a little bit every day to keep. There, did you hear pop?
Yeah.
There's 2 in a row. That mobilizes and stretches and tries to unravel the damage that we do to ourselves day to day at the computer and the way our bodies are forward too much. All right, so now let's see what's going on. She's so tight up here. Someone put concrete in her neck.
That's what they told me.
My thumbs are hurting.
My dad said the same
No,
thing.
my thumbs aren't hurting. Turn your face left and right, left and right. And which way is it tougher to turn?
To the left.
Left,
Yeah.
right, because you have a left occiput. So you're going to be face down,
Okay.
and you feel that horrible spot right there?
Yeah. Oh my God.
So let me massage that for a minute. So I'm under the left occiput, between the atlas and the occiput. Actually, horses, we call this the pole. So back to horses.
Yeah.
Have you seen me work on any horses?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And this is such a critical area on all quadrupeds, but especially a horse. A horse spends up to 16 hours a day grazing if they're left out in pasture. They need to have that head go down. A pole that's misaligned can even make them limp in the back leg. That's how powerful it is. When we adjust this on humans, very often their sciatica goes away. But definitely headaches. So headaches are linked right into this top area. Migraines, blurry vision, insomnia are all up in this top area. So we're going to do that first, okay? So I'm going to have you stand up now. And this is going to we're going to do some good stuff right now, okay? Look at this little chair I have.
Oh, am I sitting on that?
Isn't this cute? You're going to sit on this.
Okay.
But guess what? It holds up to 400 pounds.
Okay, good.
And this is not a commercial for this. I just like it. Look.
Oh, okay.
Look how tall I am.
Yeah.
All right, you could sit here. Sorry, I just
That's
stepped on
fine.
it.
You're good.
All right. Ingrid, you don't want to miss this. You got to come in really close. Yeah, you're locked in here. All right, so we got to get under this.
Okay.
Let your head fall down. Got it.
Oh my God. Okay.
Now turn your head left and right. See how it feels.
Yeah, better.
Okay, there's more. Now we got to decompress you. So now you're going to lie on your back.
Okay.
So get back up here. Boga arriba.
Oh, that felt good.
Okay, lie back down. Thank you so much. I'm going to pull you this way just a little bit.
Okay.
Pick your head up.
Oh, I've seen this.
Now you're going to feel it. Pull your hair through, okay? Ingrid, come in close. And let your chin tilt back a little bit. There you go. Good. So now I'm going to stretch so you feel it.
Oh, God.
Big breath in. And I'm going to do a real one, okay? Blow it out.
Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Wow. I felt that all the
How far down?
right here to like where the bra line is.
Okay. And you felt cracks and pops? So now, Ingrid, moving right over here.
Oh,
See if we can get some more on this side. There you go. Good. So now scoot down towards your feet.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, so sometimes people have an autonomic nervous system response where their bodies will break out in a sweat. Did you feel how your palms went sweating? So that's normal.
Okay.
You know, it's a stress response. Now, some people might leave in the comments, because I stressed her out, but it really is actually a stress relief response,
Okay.
to be technical. Horses often go like this. That's their stress release response.
Okay.
And dogs go like this.
Yeah. I've seen that.
That's the dogs.
Yeah, I told her that on the way
Yeah.
here. Like,
Cats
I'll
do a
tell you
little shake, a little thing,
Okay.
or sometimes cats lick a little bit,
Okay.
like that. Did I do that really well? And but we don't usually shake or lick and chew. You know, I don't see
No,
humans
I
go.
don't think so.
So
Yeah.
humans don't do that, but humans sometimes get a little sweat. They definitely will giggle,
Okay.
so they might let out a giggle. Sometimes they cry,
Okay.
and sometimes they just yawn, or yawning would be one, like they go. Ugh. So it's just interesting. But you had the sweat response.
Yeah, automatic.
Yeah. And that's part of what that really is coming from, is you're a sympathetic dominant, and the sympathetic is our stress part of our nervous system, which is fight, flight, all of our five senses being hyper vigilant and aware, and we're living in that state of tension and that state of stress.
Okay.
And there's the other part of your nervous system called the parasympathetic nervous system, which is that sleep, eat, recovery, sex, pooping, going to the bathroom. It's like all that relaxing, all that releasing. It's the healing part of your nervous system.
Okay.
And it should be a nice and balanced. So when during the day you're awake and you're alive and you're responsive, and at night you are supposed to have parasympathetic kicks in and you recover. But so many people go to sleep and they wake up and they still feel like crap when they wake up in the morning. They're still stressed out. They were laying in bed but never got recharged. So this is an area where a time where your body should downshift and downregulate and relax. But you've been in such a state of stress for so long that you never downregulate.
Yeah, makes sense.
And we're getting that to happen for you a little bit today.
Okay.
And that parasympathetic nervous system is the one that would go
Okay.
or break out the sweat,
Okay.
or have a response like a shakeout in a dog. And we see them kick over from being stressed to relaxing. So now let's get some more stuff. That one. That's a big one.
Yeah.
That's another big
Yep.
one. Good. Now scoot down. I want to see if I can get that little spot at the base of your neck. That one's tight. All right, so lie on your side, facing me this way, please. Let this fall towards me.
Oh my god.
That was big.
Yeah.
Come the other way. So you're gonna come this way. Bring up this top knee.
Oh my god.
Got it. Good, lie on your back. Ingrid's over there wincing. She's like, you don't like that one, do you? Or it creeps you out a little, right? I understand. But it's good to just get all this open on us. I was doing this one, actually I was at this big conference, and I like to adjust people like in the open, like I'll just grab people, start working on it for free. And So this woman is all dressed up for this conference, and they're all doctors, so she's like a female doctor. And I'm also doing people's fingers, right? Like this. And all of a sudden I grab her nail, and I go, and it flies across the room. And she just had her nails done.
Oh no.
And this nail flew off.
Oh my god.
And I'm sure that's an expensive set, right?
I imagine.
Plus, she was planning on looking good for the whole 3-day conference, you know.
She messed up her nails.
And I just pulled that sucker right off.
She was
And
mad at you.
so much for a free adjustment, right? It
Yeah.
wasn't really free anymore.
She had to go through her
All right,
nails.
so come stand up and see how you feel. Don't worry, I didn't pull off your nails.
No, they can't come off.
Yeah.
Never mind. Oh, I feel good.
Really?
Oh, I just cracked again.
Good, so it's starting to open up.
Yeah.
So even though you live in Florida, you should probably try to get some more adjustments or come up at least once a month and see me.
Once a month, yeah.
But if you
Like, I
can,
have to
try to find someone local that you can work on. Do a lot of stretching and start to exercise more, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. What was your favorite part?
All of it.
All right, good. Thank you so much. So, Ingrid, do you want a quick little adjustment for free?
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool, cool. So lie on your back. This will be a mini one.
Shoes off.
No, you can even leave on. I don't
Okay.
care.
Okay.
No, boca arriba.
Oh, boca arriba.
Gracias.
You speak Spanish too.
Come on in and watch this. Breathe. All right. You can breathe. Woo!
Oh my god. Everything
God.
cracked.
Those are a lot. Lie on your side this way, facing me,
Oh my god.
and bring this top knee up. All right. Let's go. Good. Come back this way. And bring this knee up, okay? Okay. All right, come stand. How'd that feel?
Oh my god.
She's
Yeah.
like in shock.
Feel pretty good?
Lighter.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my god. Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome. Thank you for coming in. Thank
Oh,
you.
wow.
You all right?
I'm so cracked.
All right, good. She's still releasing. There you go. Good. So now I'm gonna stretch so you feel it.
Ooh, God.
Big breath in. And I'm gonna do a real one, okay? Blow it out.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow.